The Galaxy S24 Ultra has generated immense buzz as one of the most anticipated phones of 2024. Samsung's teasers have unveiled a plethora of details, especially highlighting its groundbreaking AI capabilities. Amidst numerous leaks about design, performance, and cameras, this flagship promises to redefine the smartphone landscape in 2024. Here are the 6 major enhancements expected in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Number 1. Titanium build and vibrant palette. Following Apple's lead, Samsung is rumored to introduce titanium edges in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, promising both durability and a lighter design compared to its predecessor. The potential weight reduction to 8.21 ounces, alongside the inclusion of a built-in stylus, sets it apart in a league of its own. Number 2. Galaxy AI advancements. The most significant upgrade in the Galaxy S24 Ultra lies in its generative AI. Samsung hints at transformative features such as AI Translate Call, enabling real-time language translations during calls, and the Samsung Gauss AI model, promising assistance in tasks like email composition, document summarization, image editing, and resolution enhancement. Number 3. Enhanced display. Expectations for the S24 Ultra's 6.8-inch OLED display suggest remarkable upgrades. Rumors point to a substantial increase in peak brightness to 2500 nits compared to the S23 Ultra's 1750 nits, and a potential boost in refresh rate to 144 Hz, catering to the demands of avid gamers. Number 4. Revamped camera capabilities. Camera speculations for the Galaxy S24 Ultra are stirring excitement. Anticipated upgrades to the main 200-megapixel sensor include a larger and brighter sensor and a potential shift in zooming capabilities to a 50-megapixel 5x zoom lens, leveraging pixel binning for superior quality. Number 5. Innovative video features. Unofficially disclosed, Samsung's Zoom Anyplace camera technology, harnessing a 200-megapixel sensor and AI, could seamlessly track subjects without manual intervention and facilitate simultaneous 4K recording of zoomed-in and full-frame shots. Number 6. Performance powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to harness the formidable power of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, boasting an AI engine and night mode for video. Speculations hint at an overclocked variant, promising unparalleled Android performance, with a projected 30% CPU boost and 25% GPU enhancement over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The Galaxy S24 Ultra teases a revolution in smartphone technology, integrating cutting-edge advancements and user-centric features. Share your thoughts on these upgrades in the comments below and subscribe for future updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.